Hello everyone! Today, we will demonstrate the wiring method of the T10 thermostat panel and how to use it with the air conditioning gateway. Step 1. Connect the power supply. Find terminals L and N. Connect the live and neutral wires accordingly. Tighten the screws firmly. Make sure the connection is secure. Step 2. Connect the control devices. For direct port connection, connect the single wire of floor heating to the floor heat terminal. For water AC, connect the single wire to the valve on terminal. For two-wire connection, connect the wires to the valve off and valve on terminals respectively. For fresh air, also connect to the valve terminals, off for air intake and on for air exhaust. The leftmost terminal is fan speed, which has only 3 gears, with H being the highest speed. The upper port is RS485, used to connect to the air conditioning gateway. Next, let's see how to use it with the air conditioning gateway. We will use the Zhonghong air conditioning gateway for this demonstration. For the wiring of the gateway itself, please follow the instructions in the gateway manual directly. After powering on the T10 and gateway, proceed to the T10 setup. After powering on, select the language first. The device will restart automatically at this time. After the device powers on again, it needs to be connected to the network for activation. The air conditioning gateway and the T10 are connected via an RS485 cable. Connect RS485A of the gateway to RS485A of the T10 and RS485B of the gateway to RS485B of the T10. After the wiring is completed, enter the device settings interface. Select the following options in order: Settings, tap Smart Home, Configuration, enter AC Gateway, AC Protocol, ZH Control, click Confirm, and the system will restart automatically. After the restart, multiple air conditioning devices will be displayed on the interface. At this time, you need to rename the air conditioners for easy management later. The operation path is Settings, Smart Home, Device Editing. Select the device you need to rename and enter the editing page. Finally, let's summarize. When using T10 for direct connection, remember to choose either water AC or fresh air. When using it with a gateway, make sure to connect the RS485 cable correctly. After renaming the air conditioners, multiple devices can be easily identified.